Online blockchain gaming and the gamification of just about everything is accelerating rapidly. And so here we're going to highlight a few free-to-play games that also have P2E, that's play-to-earn options. One of them even gives you a free battleship to start off with. And we're going to start off our list today with this first entry, Affyn, which is currently going very strong right now with its land sales in the play and earn Nexus World Metaverse. And if you need to catch up and learn a little bit more about Affyn and specifically the Nexus World Metaverse, take a look at our dedicated video from back in October. The link should be popping up right about now. But in essence, to buy land in the Nexus World Metaverse, you first need to buy flags. And the first wave of 48,482 land went on sale in early October, and that's still going strong. So these flags are not NFTs, and you can't trade them either. However, during December, you can start claiming land with these flags. And Nexus World is going to start to release cities in waves. So this land actually comes in the form of NFTs, and you can trade these. These are unique NFTs linked to real-world geolocations. And as we've previously covered, there are 4 different lands. Common, that's worth 1 flag. Rare is 3 flags. Epic is 9 flags. And Mythical is 27 flags. And if you own one of their 400 initial NFTs of the Generation 0 buddies, you get an epic land airdropped automatically. Their floor price is currently 4.6 ETH. Just keep in mind that if you want to buy flags, you need to complete a KYC. That's a Know Your Customer procedure, which can take up to 5 business days. Guys, let me know in the comments your thoughts about Affyn, about the Nexus World. And as a quick reminder, just remember that this video is meant to be informative in nature, but not official financial or investment advice. Here is another quick reminder: for a limited time, membership to our Altcoin Buzz access group is free. And along with that membership, you're going to get access to our weekly reports, which come from our outstanding research team. These reports cover the crypto market and the state of NFTs. You can check them out by clicking the link that's popping up now on screen, or the one that you can find down below in the description of this video. Okay, project number 2 on our list here is another P2E game. It is Apeiron, and in this you are literally one of the gods. You're actually a newborn god, and you are in full control of a planet. And of course, these planets, as you may know, are themselves NFTs, non-fungible tokens. We recently talked about Apeiron in a recent video. Check it out if you've not already. The game, believe it or not, has been in development for 6 years. And right now they're aiming to modernize God games, the entire genre. And at the same time, the team is gearing up for Web3 and Metaverse use. So like I said, you are literally taking on the role of an all-powerful god. You rule over sim worshippers. And they are, in general, simple. For example, like the dudes. And you can shape your own planet. You can control the rise and the fall, by the way, of civilizations. All of that is in your hands. You can help the doodles with their daily life problems. However, you can also create as well as destroy. You can either be a loving or a vengeful god. Now, they have a tri-token economy. First of all, Apeiron, that's the game's governance token. You can stake your claim in the universe with this particular token. Then there's also Anima. This is the play-to-earn token. And finally, number 3 is Ringularity, RNGU. And this focuses on activities that are guild-based and very much encourages social gameplay. It's a strong game with some outstanding backers, and the team raised $13.5 million in seed funding. You can also buy all in-game NFTs from their very own marketplace, so we're keeping an eye on this one. Number 3 on our list today is Zone. And rather than a specific game, Zone is more like a gaming platform. It's a GameFi ecosystem, if you will, and it's built on Algorand. Algorand, of course, is currently one of the main sponsors of the World Cup, which is happening and ongoing in Qatar. Now, they offer both free-to-play and P2E, play-to-earn. And besides on-chain gaming challenges, they also offer yield farming. They currently have a big GameFi tournament going on with $150,000 in prizes. You can get a Game Pass and join the PlayFi League, and there you can choose between 8 different games. For example, Bottle Shoot, Penguin Skip, Merge Mania, Bowling Stars, Shade Shuffle, Cricket Gunda, Escape Run, or Candy Fiesta. Now, you will need to get their Zone token, that's ZONE, to take part, which you can buy once you connect your wallet. And with the Zone token, you can pay all platform fees, you can stake it to earn Zone and other tokens, you can unlock Fantasy League, you can buy loot boxes, you can vote on governance proposals, or trade NFTs. There are plenty of options with Zone. And the best way forward is to get involved. Let us know your thoughts about this one. Zooracers is number 4 and next up on our list. The Zooracers game is part of the Zoo One ecosystem that runs on both Wanchain and Avalanche. And it is a 3D kart battle arena style game. You can use your Zoo NFT, that's ZOO NFT here. The game is actually a side project in the Zoo ecosystem, and the game is fun, it's addictive, there's some cartoon-esque landscape thrown in for good measure. Nonetheless, the graphics are good, as you can see in the video here. So effectively, we have a multi-chain battle carts game on our hand. You play against other players on the map, there's a leaderboard, and you can customize your cart and a controllable animal. And the plan is to collect as many coins as possible. These are randomly placed in the map. So you battle opponents or hide or run away from them, whatever you choose. However, if you beat your opponents, you get their loot, i.e. their coins. For the cross-chain games, they use the Wanchain bridge. This, of course, connects Wanchain to Avalanche. And then, of course, you can play with players on a different chain, which is pretty cool. All right, and last but not least, at number 5 on our list, we're looking at Spark Era, which is a self-developed, massive multiplayer online role-playing game. That's MMORPG. And they're part of the Fireworks Games ecosystem. So this is a decentralized self-development and release platform of blockchain games. Now you can join this game for free and explore this ever-expanding universe. It's not only free to play, but also it's play to earn. And once you connect your wallet, you can get a free starship and start the game. Not bad. So in this game, when you start, you can explore, you can trade, you can mine, you can also battle. And all of these activities will reward you with more game assets. And that means you can pilot more than 1,000 kinds of different ships, explore over 20,000 galaxies, and find over 100 million planets. Once you enter the game, you're going to be randomly placed in one of the 4 camps. Number 1 is Confederation of Earth. Number 2 is Empire of Amda. Number 3 is Osman Zerg. Or number 4, Eternal Protoss. Now, you can still decide whether or not you want to join a guild or perhaps start the journey with a team of your own friends. But you can either start by exploring new planets or identifying and engaging with enemies. There are also 500,000 planets that you can colonize and receive economic benefits from. The catch, however, is that either you beat your enemy or they beat you. And when they do that, you lose it all. So it's pretty hardcore. It may not be for the faint of heart, but if you have what it takes, if you're up for the challenge, check it out. It's one that we are keeping on our radar. Let us know, guys, among these games that we have our eyes on, which one stands out to you? What have we left off this list? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Also, remember that for a limited time, access to our Altcoin Buzz access group is free. And with that, you're going to get weekly crypto and NFT reports. Check it out. The link can be found in the description below.